nie jest takie straszne, szczerze mówiąc. Na zdrowie?
Dziękuję.
Na zdrowie. Na zdrowie. XD. No dobra, trochę go tam więcej jest. Myślałam, że to taka końcówka.
Okay, it's Sunday, most beautiful day of the week, testing day. Right, down the back of your throat. A couple of swirls there, and up the sneezer. That's it. What are you today? Chuck it in there, full chuck it in there for installation, and about 100 bajillion bags in the box and ship this